Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, guys, and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace the transmission shifter assembly, guys, on a Dodge Dart. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction, guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Dodge Dart, will have at least 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy replacement parts, guys, tools, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get them for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So this is, guys, okay, right here, this is the shifter assembly, okay, you can see out of that Dodge Dart. So we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. First, guys, actually what you need to do, you need to go ahead and remove the center console. So we need to do all that until we get to the shifter assembly, and then we'll show you how to remove it. So stay with us, we'll start on it and you'll see how to do it. So what we need to do now, guys, okay, we need to get a 7mm socket. This is, guys, 7mm. Okay, let me focus here quick. This is a 7mm socket right here with the electric screwdriver, so it can save us a little bit of time. And if you come under the steering wheel right here, there is one screw that we need to remove. Okay, you can see this one here. Perfect. Okay, this one's coming out. Now what else we need to do? Right here, guys, okay, we have one cover that we need to pry open. I would recommend to use only plastic panel removal tools. We have the link in the description of the video below. Okay, what you're going to do, you need to get underneath. Okay, let me pass the camera quick here so I don't drop that thing. Perfect. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips that we need to remove. So with that being said, guys, what else we have? Here we have one more bolt that we're going to remove. Then we have one more over there. Things started looking better now. What else we need to do, guys? Okay, right here I'm going to get the panel removal tool, and okay, we're going to pry here a few clips open. Perfect. Now I'll come on this side over there. Let me just see. Okay, it will take me just 1 second. Okay, perfect. And that trim piece, okay, came out just like that, guys. You can see all the way loose. So next step, guys, once you get that piece loose, okay, why we needed to do all that, because right here underneath you have one bolt, okay, that we'll need to remove. That bolt is with 7mm, guys, 7mm socket. Okay, so let's go ahead, get it loose. Perfect. Okay, check it out. Now with that being removed, guys, I'm going to turn, okay, I'm going to actually put the car, okay, turn the ignition on, put the car, okay, neutral. I'll put the emergency brake on, okay, all the way. And now we will open the glove box, guys, and here you have a few clips that you need to go ahead and pull. Okay, check it out now. Okay, and looks like nothing's holding on this side. I think we just have clips, guys, holding everything in place. Perfect. You can see how tight everything is. Okay, extremely tight. Now we need to, guys, disconnect the cables. How we do that? Okay, right here we push in and we slide that blue piece over. Okay. We almost hit it, guys. Give me a second. Okay, so I can actually, okay, check it out now. You just need to press the center piece in. Okay, there is like a tooth. Okay, now slide it over. Okay, like that. Pull it out. Now on the bottom we have the socket here. Okay, you can see that socket for the cigarette lighter. Press in the middle. Okay, right here. Disconnect it, guys. Now that piece we can get it out. What I'll do, I'll just go ahead, put it in park, make sure that you don't roll on a hill or anything, turn the ignition off, guys. The safest thing, actually, even removing those so you don't burn anything electronic wise, you can override the switch, okay, to put it in neutral, okay, without starting the car. We have a video how to do that. Just search on our channel for Dodge Dart Stuck in Park, how to put in neutral, and you can find out, guys. But you have to be extremely careful not to roll on a hill. Make sure your emergency brake works. Put tire chokes so you don't roll on a hill or something like that. And let's continue now with the next step. Next, let me show you guys what we need to do. Okay, right here you can see we have one cover on the side, on the rear of the center console. You need to go ahead and open that cover, and you have, guys, one bolt with a 10mm socket that we need to remove. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, pretty simple, right? Not too complicated. As you can see, you can notice that you have some red thread locker. This is, guys, to prevent the bolt from getting loose. Okay, if you have any vibrations or anything like that. Same thing needs to be applied on the right side, on the passenger side as well. Just the same thing we did to the other side. Perfect. This thing is ready here as well. So let's see what else we have. Now, I want to clarify again. You don't have to remove that thing to remove the screw that we removed here, but I'll recommend it so you don't have to break anything, guys. Now, here on the front we have a few more bolts that we need to remove, screws with 7mm socket. Let's go the other way to get it loose. Perfect. One is coming out, now the second one here. Okay, great. Now let's see, guys, okay, what else we have here. Here on the side we have one cover. You just grab it. Okay, it has 3 clips and one on the front that slides in and it comes out, guys, on this side. Okay, same thing will be applied to this side here. So let me just scoot that seat to the back. Okay, so I can have a little bit more room to show you with the camera. But you just grab that piece, pull it out. Next, guys, here underneath we need to make sure that we don't have anything here. Okay, let's see. We need to remove, okay, that cover for the shifter now. Careful not to damage your wire, guys. You have a wire here, so if you catch that wire, okay, you're done. You're going to break it, so you have to be extremely careful. Now we can actually go ahead and see what needs to be done to disconnect that wire. It needs to come out of here, out of the clip. Okay, like that. And now over here you just disconnect it. Okay, perfect, like that. Let's see, guys, what else we have here holding. If we grab the console now, okay, maybe it will come out. Let's verify that. We may need to remove the shifter assembly from what I can see, guys. I don't think we'll be able to. I think we need to take that thing off because later it won't be able to sink in. So we have one bolt with something very little. So let me see. I had the tools somewhere here. Everything was here earlier. Okay, something small. I think we have the screwdriver set somewhere here. Something like a torque stand, I think. We have that we need to actually go ahead and remove. Yep, right there. And just get it loose. When you get it loose, okay, the shifter assembly should come straight up. You're going to notice that in just a second. Okay, looks like it's still holding, guys. Okay, it came out. Perfect. This is the bolt right there. It's either a Torx or Allen wrench. Hard to see, but Torx worked really good for ours. So now, let's guys see if we have anything else here. Okay, that cover, let's get it out. Make sure we don't have anything holding there. It just has a few clips here that we need to get loose. Okay, one right there. Almost hit it out. Okay, we don't have anything here, so we're clear, guys. from what it seems. I don't think we have anything holding. We have the cables. Okay, we need to check all the cables. I can see the wires going to the USB auxiliary port and the rear cigarette lighter. All that is coming through here, so we have to make sure that we don't have a connector or something like that towards the front, guys. Okay, because otherwise, okay, these wires, okay, may get in the way. So let's see now. Okay, we'll grab. Okay, give me a second. Okay, to pull that emergency brake up. Center console is coming out, guys. And these cables, they go all the way to the front somewhere, guys, from what I can see. They go all the way to the front. We have to disconnect them at the front of the console somewhere on the side. That's where they connect, right there. So let me show you now what we have there quick, but you can see the console is almost out of there now. So as you can see, guys, we're coming on the passenger side now. Okay, and we need to disconnect now, okay, all the wires. One of them, I think this is the USB. Another one, and then we have one more. 3 of them. So let me go to the other side quick, guys, before we pull it out. Give me just a second. So now, if we grab that thing, okay, the whole console should, guys, made itself out of the car. You can see just like that, guys. So we got it out, as you can see, like that. So now, guys, let me explain what we need to do. Now this is the shifter assembly right here. After we remove the center console, we can get to that wiring harness. We're going to push in there and disconnect that clip, guys. Just be careful not to pull on the wires. Okay, we just need to push in a little bit more. Okay, I will get a screwdriver here. Okay, and we're going to push in. Okay, and now disconnect it. Okay, it is coming out, but it got stuck, and let's see what's the case here. Okay, if I can squish it a little bit better with the... Okay, perfect. Right here, push in, pull out, guys. Now 10mm nuts that we need to remove, and we're going to be able to come out soon. Okay, one nut out, second one out. One there, you can see. Perfect, guys. Now we need to disconnect the cable, okay, the shifter cable. There is one, okay, location where you can disconnect it. Okay, it's a ball joint right here. You can disconnect it from the screw or from the bolt if you want, but then you have to readjust everything, because this cable, as you can see, guys, you adjust it, okay, left or right, and that way, if you're not shifting gears correctly, you can always readjust it, guys. So if you pry that ball joint out, it should come out, guys. We hope so. If not, we can just disconnect it from the bolt. So let me explain now, guys. If you come with a clip removal tool, okay, I'm trying to get between the two. Okay, right there, and it comes out. Now we need to disconnect it from the front side, guys. Okay, the front side. Okay, give me a second to get myself here somehow. You have, guys, okay, a couple clips here, or one single clip that you release, and then you pull it out. Okay, it's almost out, just a little bit holding there. Let me grab a small screwdriver, something I can pry that thing with. Yep, this clip is still holding there. Oh no, let's try now. Okay, it's coming loose. So that clip, you push it towards the back, then you lift up the whole shifter assembly, guys, out of here, just like that. You can see, not too complicated of a deal, but we got it out. So that's how you guys remove it, putting it together. Practically everything is in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.